Hey, you made it this far. You're probably going to go and read this entire article down below, but this is a summary with Sunny.
Let's talk about something that can save you a lot of time, stress, and money if you're thinking about refinancing in Sacramento, getting pre-approved. Think of pre-approval like a golden ticket. It tells you exactly what you qualify for, puts you in a stronger negotiating position, and gives you a real shot at the best rates. Without it, you're kind of flying blind. So, what does pre-approval actually do for you? It confirms to lenders and to yourself that you're in a solid position to refinance. It lets you know how much equity you can tap into, how much you can lower your payment, and which refinance programs are realistic for your situation. And in a market like Sacramento, where timing matters, pre-approval helps you move fast and confidently. Now, here's how the process usually works. First, you review your credit. Most lenders like to see a score of 620 or higher, though there are options if you're lower. Next, you gather your financial docs, tax returns, W-2s or 1099s, recent bank statements, mortgage statement, even your homeowner's insurance page. Once you've got your paperwork together, you choose the right lender or broker. That's important because different lenders specialize in different products, conventional FHA, VA, or non-QM, if you're self-employed or have non-traditional income. Then you apply, and once approved, you'll get a pre-approval letter that spells out your eligibility and your rate options. That letter is your green light to move forward. Pre-approval isn't just about paperwork, it's about peace of mind. You'll know exactly where you stand before you commit, and you'll be ready to negotiate with confidence. And here's the good news. There are ways to improve your odds. Paying down high-interest credit cards, avoiding new debt or big purchases, building up some savings, and working with a broker who can match you with the right lender, all of that makes your file stronger and helps you lock in better terms. At KEES Lending, we make the pre-approval process simple. We'll help you organize your documents, review your options, and make sure you're set up for success before you ever sign anything. So if you're ready to take the smartest first step toward refinancing, head over to keeslending.com or give us a call. We'll get you pre-approved quickly, clearly, and without the stress. Because when it comes to refinancing, confidence starts with pre-approval.